This video will demonstrate alternative posturing when you have a client who is pregnant and is having an intimate wax. During your normal intimate waxing, you'll have your client laying flat and drawing both knees up to begin your treatment. For pregnancy, we're not going to have our clients laying flat. We're going to elevate the back of the couch slightly to relieve the pressure from the lower back. And instead of both knees coming up, we're just going to allow one foot to ground onto the couch whilst the other knee is pulled back to work on the one side, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side, keeping a foot grounded for support. For our next posture, instead of using full butterfly, we're going to have one side bent out, and we're going to keep one knee bent with the foot grounded on the other side. And for the final stage of our intimate wax, in order for us to get to the back area of our client, we're going to lay the couch back down flat, ask our client to turn onto their side. They'll bring up their knee for support, and this will enable us to reach this area comfortably for our clients.